My name is Brad Smith, and I am the co-founder and USA Director for the Kilimanjaro School of Missions. So my role at Kilimanjaro School of Missions is that of student advisor, fundraising coordinator, and an adjunct professor. Located in the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro School of Missions is located in Kemana, Kenya. It is a direct partnership with the Kenya Assemblies of God, where we're training young, indigenous, spirit-filled ministers who feel the call to global missions, training them in a one-year program so they can be launched into the Muslim-dominated areas of Africa. After our students graduate their 1 year of training, we hand them back to the national church as a certified candidate for missions. From that point, they're responsible for raising their own support, and then they're sent out by the national church into the unreached areas of Africa like South Sudan, Somalia, Uganda, and some of the other nations of the world where Christianity is less and the gospel's not been named. The vision behind Kilimanjaro School of Missions is to partner with the national church in a completely indigenous project. We believe that the Western church owes a responsibility to raise up the national people to be missionaries themselves to their own people and to their surrounding nations. Our process in this 1 year program is to sponsor a student, which is roughly around $3,500 US, which includes all of their room and board, all of their educational material, so that they can focus on this 1 year of their own personal fundraising and education while we're equipping them to reach the nations. So annually, we're looking at accommodating 12 students. We want to keep it to a very small group. The $3,500 tuition per student covers their room and board, their tuition fees, all of their school materials, and their internship program, which is their 3 months of being out doing ministry. With your help, Kilimanjaro School of Missions is training missionaries to take the gospel to the unreached parts of Africa. Thank you so much in advance for your prayer and your support.